Introducing the DUOdrill ATC, a precision-engineered micro-drilling machine designed to meet the demands of modern PCB manufacturing, delivering high-accuracy PCB drilling and smooth precision PCB routing with intelligent automation and automatic tool changing that ensures every operation is faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Every drill, every route, and every board is produced with consistency and precision, making it suitable for full-scale PCB production houses, research and development, education, and startups. This CNC machine is, even by world standards, simply the most productive two-spindle drilling and routing machine on the market, with production outputs exceeding 72,000 holes per hour for a typical drilling job, setting a new benchmark for speed, reliability, and throughput in PCB manufacturing. Beyond performance, the DUOdrill ATC is backed by best-in-class customer service and after-sales support, ensuring complete peace of mind, with uninterrupted availability of spare parts, regular software updates, and fast virtual support. The system is engineered for maximum uptime and near zero breakdowns, so your production never stops. India is evolving from consuming technology to creating and manufacturing it. Built in India, the DUOdrill ATC empowers PCB manufacturing, strengthens electronics manufacturing, supports local industries, and contributes to a stronger and more independent industrial ecosystem. Designed in India, made in India, and built to serve the world.